Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to My Intro Crypto. Today we have Bitcoin daily update. We are going to see where are we going in the next few hours in the daily frame, in the weekly frame, all the time frames. Before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/My Intro Crypto. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Let's start right now with Bitcoin's chart. And right here you can see that we had a nice pump yesterday, but this doesn't seem to be such a bullish pump. Okay, it won't bring a higher high, higher low pattern. Instead, I think that we are going to get further down. Now, what is the next step for Bitcoin? And of course, everyone's is asking the same question. When are we going to have the huge buying pressure so we can be bullish in all the time frames and we can restart the bull run? Right now though, unfortunately, the case is that we are going to get further down into the 4-hour frame. Right here we go. You can see that we are having the 50-day exponential moving average as long as the stochastic RSI in an overbought. Usually this is not the perfect thing that you want to have, but of course I'm going to tell you something that could potentially happen. Not sure about that though, something that could be a little bit bullish. At the same time though, everything leans to being bearish. Okay, so right here you can see that we are having the huge overbought situation. It is not necessary that the RSI has to go into an overbought or the commodity channel index. Sometimes you are seeing just the price analysis and you can see that this uptrend was nothing serious. We didn't even go above the 50-day exponential moving average. That's why I am thinking that BTC can go even further down, retesting the 18.4 to 18.5k. Right now though, I will go to the daily frame as well. Into the daily frame, we can see that we are a little bit better than the 4-hour frame, but at the same time we do not have any huge oversold situation, except for the commodity channel index right there, but we have the pump going on. Anyway, the price analysis is not looking good for today, and I think that if we have a red candlestick today, that means that we are going further down into the next few days. Personally, I'm thinking that September won't be a good month. Okay, it won't end up being something very good, but of course I'm going right now a little bit faster into the weekly frame. Into the weekly scale, what we need to see is to hold the 19k. We can hold the 19k. This is a good first step. If we close below the 19k, expect a crash coming in, as I told you in the previous updates, crash coming in to the 16.2k. Now for the monthly frame, we need the same. If we need to have any chances of going even higher, then on the monthly scale, we need to close above the 19k. But if we cannot do it in the weekly scale, probably the monthly scale won't close above either, because we will have the crash going on. Therefore, we depend a lot in the weekly and in the monthly, but first of all, in the weekly time frame. This is the most important time frame and we need to close above the 19k. Now for the next days, it is very possible after the weekly close that we are going to see a crash coming into 16.2k. You all know how important this support level is, and here we might be having a fake out. What I mean by that is that most people will open short positions and they will get liquidated because long positions are going to open and we are going to have a fast buying pressure from there. This is my personal belief into the Bitcoin, and this is what I'm thinking of right now. I'm not seeing any bullish movement. I'm not seeing how Bitcoin is going to be bullish. All we can hope for is maybe a double bottom pattern, and we have the neckline right here, so we can go even higher. But at the same time, this is like we are going and having this U shape, the reversed U shape, to get even further down. It is very common in the bearish markets to see something like this. And of course, the thing that we are having is right now that we found rejection of the 24.6k. We need to close above. From the time that we didn't, you can see that BTC is falling down. Okay, so for the time being, into the 4-hour frame, into the daily frame, it is not looking so good. Okay, I'm not seeing how Bitcoin is going to pump from here, how Bitcoin today is going to have a nice uptrend. I'm not seeing any bullish actions. I'm seeing bearish actions for today. And of course, the weekly scale, the weekly frame, it is very important to close above the 19k. If we have a closing above condition, the 19k, then we can go even higher if we do not expect a crash to happen for Bitcoin in the next few days after the weekly close. Even on the 4-hour frame though, things are not looking good. Be careful on what you buy. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto. We are going to get down to the 18.4k, and from there we are going to see maybe we revisit 17.7k, and see you soon with many more videos. Bye.